This is an Apple Watch look-alike Series 8 Ultra smartwatch with a whole lot of interesting and fun things. Great watch faces, lots of controls, easy to flip between them, pick whatever you like. You've got the last apps that you've used, Bluetooth calling that you can toggle on and off here so it will activate on your phone. You've got step count information, temperature, heart rate, weather, last night's sleep time, on and on and on. And of course, you can get into all of your different apps here, including phone, messaging, contacts, calling, all Bluetooth connected to your phone, and a really loud speaker as well. You've got some fitness data in here, heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, blood oxygen. I'd suggest skipping it. They don't seem to be really working well. A music player, though, NFC, but it doesn't work for finances like paying credit cards and whatnot, mostly for exchanging data. Sleep time is a monitor if you wear it to bed. They got a stopwatch, count-up, countdown timer. You can set timers. You can do all kinds of things. A flashlight, emergency call number, air pressure. Ladies, you got your period tracking in here and a variety of settings and a couple of fun games you can play with as well. You can double tap, get into all of your apps, double tap again, and change the layout to one of many, many different kinds that you can enjoy, including the basic Apple one that swirls around and twirls around and everything you're used to. You got a side button, and on this side a button as well that'll take you into your fitness activity. It's designed to be the Ultra Apple Watch look-alike, and does a pretty decent job in terms of fit, form, and function. If you're looking to have one of these that looks and smells like an Apple Watch, this is it. If you're thinking of getting the Apple Watch, this may be a good thing to pick up and test out before you plunk down the big money for an Apple Watch to see if it works for you. Alrighty, that's it. The Apple Watch look-alike DT8 Ultra. Check it out.